Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we discussed about the features of the option chain of LOC calculator part 1. Now in this video, we will discuss about the part 2 features of option chain of LOC calculator. Let's go through it step by step. The first very feature is the market mood index MMI. The market mood index indicates the overall sentiment of the market, whether the market is currently driven or fear or greed. However, how it is simply explained. Here, you will get if MMI is below 30, the market is in extreme fear zone. If it is between 30 and 50, the market is in the fear zone. Between 50 and 70, the market reflects greed, and above 70, the market is the extreme greed zone. This indicator is generally used from a broader long term perspective. Whether the market enters the extreme fear zone, meanings prices have fallen significantly and panic sentiments is high. It often presents a potential good time to open a fresh positions in the market. On the other hand, when the market reaches the extreme greed zone, it may signals overheated conditions where traders consider booking profits or reducing the positions. Okay, this sentiment cycle can sometimes extend over a period of 3 months, 4 months, which is why the market mood index is typically analyzed with a long term view rather than a short term traders. Okay, now coming to our next topic. Here it is given volume, OI, change in OI. These are standard features available in almost every option chain platform. However, in this option chain offers an additional advanced features called OIC. OIC and VOIC. OIC means open interest change and VOIC means volume change. What makes this feature unique is that it shows how much change has occurred in volume and open interest with a specific time interval, for example, every 3 minutes. Moreover, the time interval is fully customizable. You can adjust it in filters. You will go and you will get here the time frame. Okay, you can adjust it to 3 minutes, 9 minutes, or any preferred time frame based on your trading style. Okay, now coming to the next topic. This allows traders to monitor real time build-up or unwinding activities more precisely. By analyzing short interval changes in OI and volume, traders can better identify momentum shifts, breakout strength, and potential reversals. Okay, this features helps in improving trading timing, increasing profits potential, and minimizing all over risk. Now, this option chain also includes a smart tracking features that allow you to monitor whether any strike price is approaching the level of the current maximum volume or open interest. In simple terms, if one strike holds 100% and other strike begins to build up significantly, the system compares these two like this and this. This is the comparison graph of these two strike prices. Okay, if when the second strike reaches 75% of the highest level, it automatically gets the highlighted in yellow color. Okay, this visuals alert immediately signals that strong buildup is happening at that strike and it is nearing the dominant level. Okay, what makes it even more powerful is that this percentage there holds is fully customizable. Okay, although it is set 75% by default, you can adjust it according to your trading strategy and risk preferences. See, here you can customize your percentage. Okay, like this. Okay, now this features also helps traders quickly identify shifting market interest emerging support or resistance zones, and potential changes in the market position, all without manually calculating or scanning each strike. All right. Now, moving ahead to the next topic, here we have is the range. Okay. It automatically calculates and provides the projected weekly top and bottom range for the new expiry. For the new weekly expiry, you can access this feature from upper range, okay, where you will see top 1, top 2, top 3, and bottom 1, bottom 2, and bottom 3. These levels can be effectively used for weekly option writing strategies. In many cases, the market tends to respect these calculated ranges, which makes them useful preference zones for planning traders. Okay. There is another unique feature in this option chain is that not available in NSE or most of other option chain platforms. It calculates and displays the precise range for each individual strike price, which is referred to the S level. For example, if Nifty is trading around 25,000, okay, so traders generally consider that strike price itself as support or resistance. Okay. Then, however, in reality, the market often moves 10 to 15 points above below the strike before reversing. By that time, many traders stop losses and get triggered. The S level feature solves this issue by indicating how far market can extend beyond a strike price before a potential reversal. For instance, if the 25,000 strike has an S level, it may suggest that market may move up to that zone before reacting. This helps traders place more logical stop loss and significantly reduces the risk of premature stop loss triggers. Okay, to effectively traders these S level, there is another useful feature available in the candle chart section. Right next to the option chain button, you will find the candle chart button. By clicking on it, you can open a chart where the S levels are automatically plotted. This means you do not need to manually mark the levels. The system automatically draws the S level on the candlestick chart. This allows you to visually track price action around those levels and make more prices trading decisions based on how the markets reacts near them. Okay, got it. This feature is also clear. Now we will discuss about the next features in the part 3 video. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel and like if you like the video. Thank you.